Just check this video to find out, do you pronounce these words correctly? So today in this video, you will have very common mispronounced words in English. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anshul. Welcome to Expomo LR. Today in this video, you will have very common mispronounced words and it will be a very short video. So I'll request that watch it completely without skipping. You will definitely get something informative. So let us start this video quickly. So the first word is this. And I've seen that many people pronounce it like image, right? And you also use this word very frequently, right? But here, letter A doesn't have A sound. So the correct pronunciation of this word is not image, it's image. Image. So letter I also has I sound here, and letter A also has I sound like we have in. So it is image. Image, not image. Okay? Now the next word. It is also quite similar to the previous word. It's not village. So here also letter A doesn't have A sound. It has I sound like we have in. Okay, so it is village. 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 So letter I also has I sound, letter A also has I sound. Okay, it is similar to image. So village. Village. Now the next word. It is not enjoy. I've seen people say enjoy yourself, but it is not enjoy. So the correct pronunciation of this word is enjoy. Enjoy. So did you see that letter E has I sound like we have in ink pot. It's not a sound like we have in elephant. So it's enjoy. And here you notice letter Y has I sound again like we have in ink. So it has I sound. So it is enjoy. Enjoy, not enjoy. Okay? Letter Y doesn't have Y sound. It has I sound. So it is enjoy. Enjoy. Letter E and Y have the same sound. Enjoy. Now, I hope you are enjoying this video. Now, the next word. It's not tomb. So here letter O doesn't have O sound and letter B is silent. So the correct pronunciation of this word is tomb. Tomb. So letter O has long O sound like we have in a school. Okay. So it is tomb and letter B is silent. So don't say tomb, it is tomb. Tomb. Now the next word. It is not bathing. People get confused perhaps because this word has come from the word bath. Here letter TH have the sound, okay, but when we add ing here, letter A and TH change their pronunciation. So it doesn't remain the same as we have in bath. So it becomes bathing. Bathing. Now I'll tell you the letters and their pronunciation and their sounds. So letter A has A sound here. So you notice there is a shift from sound A to E. So it is A. So letter A has two sounds, that's called diphthong. Okay, letter A has two sounds like A. So bay, and letter TH have the sound bathing, 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 bathing. Okay, So did you notice that here letter A is having this sound and letter TH having the sound like we have in the, like we have in this. Okay, so it is bathing, not bathing. Now the next word. This is very common word and we all use it every day. So it is not vegetables. People get confused perhaps. They see table here. I know that table is pronounced like table, but when you have the same word here, its pronunciation is changed. It's not table. That's why people pronounce it like vegetable. But it's not vegetable. The correct pronunciation is vegetable. 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 So here you notice letter E has a sound. Okay. Veg. We don't have veggie, table. No. Veg. Okay. Keep it silent. Veg. And letter A has a sound like we have in about. Okay, so it is vegetable. Okay, vegetable, vegetable, vegetable. So as, because I've used as plural, so vegetables you can say, so as a singular, vegetable, vegetable. Now the next word. I have seen people pronounce it like clarity. Clarity. Maybe they get confused because it has come from the word clear. Clear is clear. But when we have this word from clear, it's not clarity. Okay? And I've seen that people, some of them pronounce it like clarity. But again, it's not pronounced the way it is spelled. So it is neither clarity nor clarity. The correct pronunciation is clarity. Clarity. I'll tell you the letters and their pronunciation. Letter A has a sound like we have in cat. So letter A has a sound. Clair. Clair. Letter I has a sound like we have in about. Okay. So clarity. 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 Not clarity. Okay. Now the next word. I have seen people pronounce it like determine. Maybe. You know about me, my, mine. This is mine. It's obvious. But the same letters are not pronounced the way they are pronounced here. It's not mine here. So it's not determine. The correct pronunciation is determine. 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 Okay. So here letter E has E sound, not A. Okay. And letter R is silent in British pronunciation. So deter, and here we have I sound. So determine, determine. So I will be pronounced as E. Okay, letter E is silent. Determine. Now the next word. Yes. Here I have seen people pronounce it like plumber. Plumber. And they emphasize this letter. But this letter is silent. So the correct pronunciation of this word is plumber. Plumber. And in British pronunciation, we keep letter R also silent. Letter B also silent. So it is plumber. In American English, you can pronounce R. So the correct pronunciation is plumber. Plumber. Okay, not plumber. Now the next word. Yes. How will you pronounce it? I've seen people pronounce it like engineer. He's an engineer in that company. But this is not engineer. The correct pronunciation is engineer. engineer. So you see that the E has a sound, okay? N, like you have in pen, okay? N. And G, near, not near. So engineer, 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 okay? So this is the correct pronunciation, and in British English we keep letter R silent. Very simple. So do not say engineer, say engineer, okay? So this is the correct pronunciation. Now the next word, again it's very common and commonly mispronounced also. So this is, yes, I've seen people pronounce it like technology, but it's not technology. The correct pronunciation is technology, technology. So here you see letter E has A sound and letter O here has O sound and letter O has A sound. So how will you pronounce it? Technology, not technology. Okay, forget that this O has O sound and this O has O sound. So it's not technology. So this O doesn't have sound like we have in no. Okay, it's O like we have in awesome. So how will you pronounce? Techno, technology, 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 technology. Okay, stress is given on N here. Got it? So I hope you have understood. Now I'll again pronounce all these words all together for a better understanding. So you may repeat after me or along with me. So let's start. This is not image, this is image. Village, enjoy, tomb, bathing, vegetable, clarity, determine, determine, plumber, engineer, engineer, technology, technology. So thank you for watching. If you have liked this video, then don't forget to press like and share this video with your friends and family members also. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.